If you're a student in 2025, AI can either be your secret weapon or just another distraction. Today I'm showing you 5 AI tools that will actually save you hours of study time. And no, ChatGPT is just the start. Stick around till the end because number 5 is a game changer you've probably never heard of. Welcome to Study Hack, where we make learning smarter, faster, and easier. If you're new here, hit subscribe. I've got videos every week on study hacks, career skills, and tools to help you learn like a pro. Quick mention, you've heard of it, but most students use it wrong. Show prompts for summarizing long PDFs, generating quiz questions, explaining complex topics at different difficulty levels, screen recording of actual prompt, affiliate link idea, link to ChatGPT Plus or similar AI subscription. Perfect for organizing your entire semester. AI helps you auto-generate to-do lists, summarize notes, and even create study schedules. Show a quick example. Create a 3-week exam study plan for biology. Affiliate link idea, Notion template store. Think of it as ChatGPT plus Google. It gives you direct answers with sources. Great for research papers, fact-checking, and finding credible academic sources quickly. Turn your lectures into searchable text in minutes. Show demo. Upload a short audio clip, instantly get clean notes with timestamps. Perfect for students with back-to-back lectures or online classes. Upload any academic paper and it spits out key points, summaries, and flashcards. Ideal for exam cramming or reviewing multiple sources quickly. If you found at least one of these helpful, hit like. It tells YouTube this video is worth sharing with more students. And drop a comment telling me your favorite study tool. All the links to these tools are in the description. Most have free plans and some give you bonus features through my links. And if you want more AI-powered tips, check out this video right here, where I